We are going to take a look at locking power cords, which we specify to keep IT equipment from being accidentally unpowered. In the rear of the server rack, we have an A side rack PDU on the left and a B side rack PDU on the right. The power cables are mirrored and differentiated by red and blue coloration. This allows for rapid visual identification of which rack PDU powers which power supplies on the IT equipment. We want to ensure that the power cords are seated completely and locked tight. We will push the connector to ensure it is fully seated, then twist the locking mechanism clockwise to lock it into place. This prevents the power cord from accidental disconnection. As we look closer at the locking power cords, we want to point out a few things. These are typical C13, C14 connectors. Once you twist the locking mechanism to lock the power cable into place, you can pull on it and see that it is secure. In this view, you can see that this power cord has been plugged into the receptacle but is not yet fully seated. As we turn the locking mechanism, you can clearly see that the gap is diminishing. Now, it will not create an inadvertent power disconnection, thus providing protection to the equipment being served.